So guys, these are railway tracks. These are the railway tracks. Like, this is so amazing. This is one side of it, and this is the other side. I believe that's where they go to park. Yeah. So I'm at train station, and this looks so luxurious. Like, this is how long it is from here to, yes guys, to here. It's so long. So guys, see this train. Like, today I'm at train station, okay? In a bit I'll tell you why I'm here. So guys, can you see how long this is? And this is the railway actually. Wow. So this is the entrance from the back. It's looking so beautiful. What's up guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're good. So today I'm at railway station. I'm in a train station today. So what am I doing here? I will explain it to you people later, but in the meantime just enjoy the view. I'll be showing you a lot of places you would like to see, so just enjoy the video. So this is the train. As you can see, this is the train. So long. I'm up here. This is how long this train is. This side is blocking it. So it's called Idu. Okay, Idu railway station. My back camera gets better view. I don't know if you can see other trains there. These are two. Yeah, over there. This looks so beautiful, man. This looks so beautiful. So this is everything. This is another passage and another one there. Yes, and we have this is another elevator stand. Platform 1. So this is platform 1. My back camera does more magic, like a lot of magic. So we move, guys. guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So let me explain quickly. If you've been following me on my Instagram, then you must know that I do small chops. So there's this company working in the railway station that always orders for my small chops basically. So I'm here to deliver. I didn't even know that I would reach here. I would have done a proper makeup and all of that. But yeah, that's the reason why I'm here basically. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're all good. If you've ever wondered what the tires of a train look like, this is what it basically looks like. This is what it basically looks like. So this is the down elevator. The thing is, guys, I won't lie, this place is so huge. This is my first time of being here proper. Like, see the train at my back? Yeah, this is a train at my back. Like, this is my first time of being here proper, of coming to this place proper. I didn't even know that I would be coming here today. If not, I would have glammed up, do my makeup. But I just came here for delivery, and I use the opportunity to view around for you guys, so that the day you're coming, you know what to look forward to, you know what to expect, and then you know what the place basically look like here. So yes, guys, enjoyed everything you've seen here. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. It was a lot of work going all around filming this video. So guys, I was walking by the road and I saw this beautiful flower garden. This looks so nice. Sincerely, they look so beautiful. And let me show you something. This will be nice for my filming space. Even though I don't know if it will grow longer than this. But if it grows longer than this, then I don't need it. But this will be fine for my filming space. Oh. Okay, I think we have this type at home. A flower garden. Looking so beautiful. So guys, today I took a commercial bus for the delivery. So I'm just coming from the station. So guys, do you understand the noise at the background? That's the noise of a public transport. See, at times just park that your car that you have at home and just carry one public. Since the corona case has reduced, basically you can, try out different things. So I like the noise out here. My baby is at home, so I'm enjoying myself. So how are you guys doing today? Now, and you know these as rough as anything. Like, you can see how this road is rough. So this is buffet in Abuja. Yeah. This is Lugbe Market. I'm at Lugbe Market. It's very close to where I live. This is the only market close by. Let me show you guys something. You want to enter? So guys, I'm passing and I just saw this abattoir. I'm on a bike right now, and I decided to just picture it so you guys saw me at the market. I actually went to get a nylon for the small chops and all of that. Okay, nylon was the only thing that took me to the market. To on my way back, I just decided to just branch. So hi guys, I'm back home already. It's been a long day. I hope you enjoyed what you just saw. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Like, I don't know why you people don't like giving my videos thumbs up these days. I don't know what I've done to you people, but if I've offended you, I'm sorry. You please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a lovely comment, and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, so for today, this is what I have for you for today. I hope you enjoy Vlogmas Day 2. It was such a nice view and I enjoy filming. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. So thank you so much and see you in my next one. Bye for now.